In this video I'll show you every single aircraft Pratt Whitney has ever modified for engine testing. Starting off with Boeing B-17G Flying Fortress. The JB-17G, operated between 1947 and 1967, was used specifically to test T-34 turbo-was turboprop engine designed for Douglas C-133 cargo master. T-34 was so powerful that the plane could remain at cruising speed with all four of its standard wing-mounted piston engines entirely shut down. Next up, Beechcraft Model 18 C-45 Expeditor. It served as the original development and flight testing platform of Pratt Whitney Canada for the legendary PT-6 turboprop engine, with most famous appearances being Beechcraft King Air, GHC-6 Twin Otter, Pilatus PC-12 and even Baykar Bayraktar. Now the Avro Canada CF-100, operated between 1968 and 1982, being the last operational CF-100, served as a vital flying testbed for Pratt Whitney Canada. It carried a JT-15D small turbofan engine mounted in an underslung pod beneath the fuselage. This engine was heavily used on Cessna citations. The CF-100 was selected because its rear cockpit accommodated a flight test engineer and the airframe could safely achieve operational flight envelopes, including speeds up to Mach 0.8. Same year as Pratt Whitney Canada acquired its CF-100, in America Pratt Whitney tested giant JT-9D engines of the future Boeing 747-100 on a Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. Later it went to the General Electric for its C-5 engines testing, and in the 70s went to Edwards Air Force Base where its airframe sits today. Next up is Vickers Viscount, operated between 1972 and 1989 as a Beechcraft Model 18 replacement. Pratt Whitney Canada used three acquired Vickers Viscount aircraft as flying testbeds for their new turbofan and turboprop engines. The most famous modifications involve mounting a test engine on the nose of the Viscount, putting extreme stress on the airframe. Genius! And we reached one of the most iconic aircraft out of this list, Boeing 720, operated between 1988 and 2010, being the last operational Boeing 720. This heavily modified aircraft was used as a Viscount replacement to flight test a wide variety of advanced turboprop and small turbofan engines. Fun fact, its weather radar antenna had to be relocated from nose directly to sit here above the cockpit. After that came our beloved Boeing 747 SP, operated since 2002, being the two last operational 747 SPs. One is for testing big engines right under its wing on place of engine number 2, and second was modified with the stub wing to test smaller engines. And that's all. See ya!